Hello students, this is exercise number 9 from the legal dictations on the speed of 80 words per minute. Start. SSE is supplier of electricity at notified tariff rate. The sale price included advance against depreciation AAD, which is shown by SSE as sales in its profit and loss account. While computing the book profit, SSE deducted the AAD component from total sale price and took only balance amount into the profit and loss account. According to the Authority for Advance Rulings, reduction of AAD from the sales was reserve, which had to be added back on the basis of clause B of explanation first to section 115 JB of the Income Tax Act 1961. On reading, it is clear that to make an addition under clause B, the two conditions which must be jointly satisfied are that there must be a debit of the amount to the profit and loss account, and the amount so debited must be carried to the reserve. Since the amount of AAD is reduced from sales, there is no debit in the profit and loss account. The amount did not enter the stream of income for the purposes of determination of net profit at all. Hence, clause B of explanation first was not applicable. There are broadly two types of reserves: those that are routed through profit and loss account. For example, a capital reserve such as share premium account. AAD is not a reserve. It is not appropriation of profits. It is an amount that is under obligation right from the inception to get adjusted in the future, hence cannot be designated as a reserve. It is nothing but an adjustment by reducing the normal depreciation incurable in the future years in such a manner that at the end of useful life of the plant, which is normally 30 years, the same would be reduced to nil. At the end of the life of the plant, AAD will be reduced to nil. Keeping in view the facts, the total profit and loss account will be different from the above. In fact, Schedule 12A to the balance sheet for the financial years 2004-5 onwards indicated reoccupying AAD income received in advance. It is a timing difference and represents adjustment in future which is inbuilt in the mechanism notified by the Income Tax Department.